Hi guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks and Tweaks. And yes, I've been dropping content back to back, so today I'll be dropping another interesting content. If you want to create a foreign bank account number in the United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Europe, in China, in different parts of the world, Australia, and you don't want to pass through the stress of going to the country, going to a bank, bringing your SSN number, you want to create an account in Nigeria or any part of the world you are that you can control. I'll be teaching you exactly that in this video. Now, the beautiful part of this video is I'll be showing you how you can create foreign bank accounts using your mobile phone. With your bank account number, you get your bank account number, your routing number, everything. And this bank account, you can control them with your mobile app. In fact, you can request for your ATM card, your MasterCard, and you would get it. All you need to do is to stay from now to the end of this video. At the end of this video, I'm going to tell you how you can even get up to $25 by just signing up and creating an account. So let's go straight to the video. For you to create a foreign bank account, you need to go and create an account on this platform, payoneer.com. Now, I'm telling you this because this is where you create your account, but if you stay to the end of this video, I will show you a trick where you can create an account on payoneer.com and you can still get $25 once you have created the account. So for the sake of this tutorial, because I have a bank account with Payoneer already, I'll be creating a new email address so that I can show you guys step by step how you create the account. If you open payoneer.com, you're going to see sign in, but you are not going to click on sign in. You have to click on register because you are just joining the platform. So I saw register just now. You click on register. You click on register. Okay, this is it. And it was supposed to pop out. When you click on register, make sure the details you are putting in your Payoneer are very correct details. Now, in this situation, you can create either an individual account or a company account, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'll be creating an individual account. Let's say my name is, the email address I created, Annabelle Robots. So you put your real name here. I don't want to use my real name because I already have an account and I want to take you guys step by step. So email address is Annabelle Robots. Okay. gmail.com. Okay, annabellerobots97@gmail.com. Let me just put a password, a random password. Okay, what can I think of? Okay, they say re-enter your email address. Sorry, I was thinking it's time for me to put the password. Annabelle Robots. Please make sure you are putting your real details. Don't create a fake account, because if you create a fake account, you might have difficulty getting your money. Let me pick a date of birth. Let's say 1997. Let's say 1997, April 23rd. Set. Please make sure you put your real date of birth. You click on next. Now you fill this place, you fill this information, you put your address, let's say 72 what street can I think of? Amadu Bello Way, Victoria Island, Lagos. Amadu Bello Way, Victoria Island. I'm just doing this so that I can take you guys step by step. Island, right? Now, Island. Then optional, you put your city, Lagos. Lagos. Postal code I think is 100001. I think. Yeah, then you put your phone number. You put a phone number. When you put your phone number, then they'll send you a verification code. I don't want to use any phone number here because I'm not planning to create a Pioneer account. I just want to show you guys step by step. When they send you a verification code, you put the verification code here, then you click on next. Then they'll bring security pop-up question. They bring a security pop-up question and they'll ask you, probably you should pick a question and write the answer. You bring a question, you put a question, you write the answer. After that, your Pioneer account will be created. Just follow the steps like that. When your Pioneer account is created, in the space of 24 hours, if you go back, you go to Pioneer, download the mobile app, or you can continue to check from here, you are going to see that your Pioneer account has been created. You have 3 bank accounts. You have a US account, you have a United Kingdom account, UK account, then you have a Europe account. So your account will be in dollar, in euros, in pounds, and in euros. Then you can add any other account you want. If you want an Asian account, like a account in China, you want from Australia, a CAD, a Canadian dollar account, you add it. All these are absolutely free. Then you can also connect your Nigerian bank account. But for the sake of this video, I just want to teach you how to create your account. Now, back to, because I'm not using my personal email address and I don't want to sign up with a fake email, I'm not going to go beyond this stage. But from here, you just have 2 more steps. The next step is security question. The last step is the final step and verification. But this is how you create your Pioneer account. Now, for the sake of this video, in order for you to earn $25, like I promised you guys that if you stay to the end of the video, I'm going to show you what to do. All you need to do is, I'm going to drop a Pioneer affiliate link. Yes, it's a referral link. If you use that link to create your account instead of coming to pioneer.com, once you create your account through that referral link, you are going to get $25 free from your first transaction. Yes, so for those of you that stay to the end of this video, that is what you'll be benefiting. Stay tuned, subscribe if you like our content, on our post notification on, so that when we drop interesting videos like this, you will be among the first to see it. I love you guys and I hope to see you guys in my next video.